Winds 15 to 20 miles an hour.
Here we go. Here it is. Look. Look, come here. Come here. It's on Tornado Watch.
The National Weather Service has issued Tornado Watch number 44, effective until midnight Eastern Daylight Time Friday.
Wow,
This
PDS.
watch includes the following counties in Indiana: Boone, Decatur, Delaware, Hamilton, Hancock, Hendricks, Henry, Johnson, Madison, Marion, Morgan, Rush, Shelby, and Tipton. Remember, a tornado watch means the conditions are favorable for the development
It's not
of severe
fake. How do you
weather,
think it's not
including
going off?
tornadoes, large hail, and damaging
literally on
winds
this
in
radio.
and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. This is NOAA All Hazards Radio KEC 74 in Indianapolis.